how to send PDF in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how you can send PDF in Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the file manager in your device and now search for the PDF which you want to send in the Messenger. Now select the PDF which you want to send, and here you can see the option of send. Click on it. Once you click on send option, here you can see various platforms where you can send that PDF. But in order to send it in Messenger, just click on the chats option. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this home page. Now select the person whom you want to send and finally click on send option. So with that, your PDF file will be sent to the person you have selected in Messenger. So in this easy and simple way, you can send a PDF in Messenger. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye-bye.